Can I show your smiling face?
Sure.
Are you sure? Because I don't have to.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Because so far all I have is the mask. All right.
Okay.
I mean, I want you to be okay.
I'm okay with it.
Okay, you're on now. All right. Well, you seem happy for somebody that's at the doctor's office.
I know.
So tell me what's going on.
So I've had a sore throat since Monday.
And today's Thursday, 3 days.
My kids have had it also in between, so we've got to take care of them first.
I see. Okay. So Mama went last? Is that what happened? Okay. Yeah. And have you had fevers or chills?
I had fever on Tuesday, and I've just been taking ibuprofen.
Okay. And any difficulty swallowing?
Yes.
Yeah, it hurts to swallow. Have you tried any of the Chloroseptic or stuff like that over the counter?
No, I've been kind of rinsing my mouth and stuff, but nothing.
You can always use that Chloroseptic. It helps too.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to take a look in your throat, and then we're going to tell you what the swab showed. So hang on just a second. I didn't give you a nickname. I'm going to call you Sunnye.
All right.
Okay, Sunnye, open up big and say ah.
Ah.
I'm going to do right there. Say ah big.
Ah.
Okay, that's your throat. Okay. I'm going to stop. You got Gummy to come hold some light. Say ah for us.
Ah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, can't see. There you go.
I'm trying to punch her with the thing. Oh, I see.
Yeah, looks how red and irritated that
and
you.
puss pockets.
Yeah, yep.
Okay.
So you want to know what the good news is?
What's the good news?
You have strep.
She knew that.
The good news is it's going away really soon.
The good news is you get a shot in the buccal.
Oh, yay.
That's the official medical term for the hip.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, a little shot in the buccal, and I'll put you on some pills to take, and you can do some saltwater gargles.
Okay.
And we should have you, back to full time being a mom here.
Oh, yay.
Just what that it never stops, does
No,
it? It never really stops. I know. I shouldn't even have said that.
No sick days there.
No sick days for moms. Okay, yeah, but we should get you feeling better pretty quick. But the saltwater gargles, definitely helpful, okay? And you can alternate Tylenol and Advil, but don't take any aspirin, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thanks for sharing with us.
Thank you.
I decided your nickname was Sunnye, so thanks for sharing with us, Sunnye.
No problem. Thank you.
You don't get to rehearse.
Do I say my name?
No?
Okay.
So tell us about your experience with MetaSeven.
Hey, it's been great. Lots more energy. I was kind of in a slump and I wasn't working out, and I started the MetaSeven. And I'm working out. I've got more energy. I don't want to nap or get that slump during like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
Wonderful. Do you feel jittery and shaky, any of that kind of experience?
Not
with it?
at all. Not at all.
Feel natural.
Yes. Yes.
Terrific. Thanks for sharing.
Sure.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about CocoSkin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out CocoSkin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Coco Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to CocoSkin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.